Hello everyone, my name is Shivansh Rahangdale. Today I'm gonna show you how to deploy a web application using Firebase. Developing a successful app is not easy. To reach a broad audience, you will need to consider your iOS, Android, and mobile web users. And to build for these platforms, you will need a backend server to store data and support the apps. Of course, you want to get users logged in, hopefully lots of users, which means your backend will have to scale. And after you have solved your scaling problems, you have to find more ways to spread the word to get new users. But have you found a way to measure all the activity? Your app is crashing, causing service to melt down, and you haven't even made a dime yet. Don't you wish this would be easier? This is why we built Firebase. As you can see, here we have a simple website and we want to deploy it. So how we can do this? Just open your browser and open and type Firebase. Open it and go to the console. It will redirect you to the page where you can see all the projects you have created previously. But now we have to create new one, so we'll click on add project. We will give our project name uh, UI slash UX. We cannot, it should not contain any symbol. UI UX design, it will be better. Let's continue. Enable Google Analytics for this project. It will add more features like testings and crash free users. All these features will be enabled if we let it enabled. And continue. We will select default account for this and create project. It will take some time. So now it is showing your new project is ready. Let's click on continue. As you can see, we have just created a new project in the console. Now what we have to do, there are three options. We can deploy it for iOS devices, on Android platform, or web. We want, as our project is web based, so we have to select web. Our web app is UI UX design. We will skip this option for now. Just click on register app. Now this is the code snippet which we have to put inside our JSON file, so it will get connected to the Firebase. But before it, we have to install Firebase in our system. So for it, open command prompt. As I have already installed Firebase, we can check the version by using this command: Firebase space dash v. Maybe a capital V. As you can see, it is 11.8.0 already installed. So now continue to console. Now what we have to do is open our project folder in VS Code. Now it is opened. Open the terminal and run the command Firebase login. As I have already logged in, so I'm not gonna log in again. Now run the command Firebase init. What it does is it initializes all the necessary file uh, for setting up the environment. Press Y and hit enter. Uh, there is a list of all the options we can select. For our purpose, we need to select hosting. Just press spacebar to select it and press enter to continue. Now use an existing project. As we have created UI UX design, just select that one. Now it is asking, do you want your public directory? Yes, we want it public. As our app is of multiple page, so we do not configure it as single page. So just press N and hit enter. No, we don't want to link it with GitHub. Press no. So as you can see, initialization is complete. Just open the folder where we have initialized it. You can see a folder named public is created. We have to put all the assets and HTML, CSS and JavaScript files into it in order to so that Firebase can access all those files. In this public folder, all those files are placed which are accessed by the Firebase. So we have to put all the files inside this folder. Now we have to run the command Firebase deploy. Just press enter. Now it is deploying. It will take some time. And after deploying, it will generate a deployed URL using which, as you can see here, it is hosting URL. Now if I click on follow link, yes, open. So as you can see, our web page is deployed and it is multiple page. So that's it. That's the simple tutorial on how you can deploy a web app using Google Firebase.